Hey, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We got a cool product from GoPowersports.com. I'm going to show y'all today. So let's jump into the video and check out something new. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Got you a cool product from GoPowersports.com. Check this out. This is snazzy. An all-in-one toolkit. This thing is really cool. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to show you what's in it. It's very handy. Yeah, so you got some Velcro straps right here. You undo your Velcro straps. Run your straps back through the loops. Just like so. Then you can roll her out. Look at this. All-in-one toolkit. It's got a little hanger, so if you want to hang something while you're working on everything. It's got a little hook at the top. Got a little see-through Velcro, or got a zipper on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Got a Velcro or a zipper down here at the bottom. So if you want to put extra things in this little pouch here, so you can see what you got as far as like master links, zip ties. You know, you could probably wind you up an extra throttle cable or something and stash in there. But this thing has got all kind of tools in it. Hopefully y'all can see what's going on. Y'all need to look at me. You need to look at the toolkit anyway. How about we put it right there? So you take this Velcro strap. See if we'll tuck it. Let's see if we can tuck this underneath. Fold these underneath so we can see what we got. Look at this. This is cool. Lay this little flap over. Now we can see everything. We got wrenches right here. Both ends. Nice. These are almost a shiny chrome finish like a snap-on wrench. They go from 8mm all the way up to a 19mm. It's nice. Then you got a set of Allen wrenches over here. You got like 6 or 7 total. Some are your metric, some are your standard, your common sizes like a 5/32. You got I think there's a 1/4, 3/16. Then you got I think a 4 and 5 and a 6mm. Very snazzy. Over here in this little loop, you got a little micro screwdriver. It's one of those that you can like turn in the end pivots, and you can pop it out. And then all your little attachments are right there in the end. Pretty cool. And they got a little detent ball, so if you pull one out and you pop it in your screwdriver, you don't have to worry about it falling out. It's got a little detent ball that locks it right into place for like the little small, real small stuff. Maybe you need you're out somewhere and you need to tighten the screw up in your glasses. Perfect for that. Sit this back over to the side. Got a real nice pair of rubber gripped needle nose pliers. Got a lot of teeth in there. Also got snips on the side for cutting your zip ties, wire, whatever. Got a nice rubbery grip to them. Those are snazzy. Then you got a nice crescent wrench. Now look at this thing. Got a rubber grip handle, got a little loop in the end, so if you want to put you a carabiner or something on it, or I don't know, you could wrap some rope around it and use it for an extra handle on your mini bike. You could use it for that. But this thing opens up huge. Way out there. Opens up, I think I measured it's 1 3/8, I think, or 36mm. So whatever you don't need on your mini bike, if you got something real crazy like, I don't know, a big, huge axle nut bolt that the 19 won't get, or say you need 2 19s, well, you got another one right there. Then this is a handy dandy little screwdriver thing. It is a screwdriver thing. But it's got all the bits and a holder right in the end of the handle. You got Torx bits, you got Allen bits, you got flats, you got Phillips, everything. Very cool. So you just pick out, we're going to pick out this little Phillips end. Magnetized on top of that, so you ain't got to worry about, you know, your bit falling out like half of these things do. Magnetized, stays right in there for you. So if you're down in a real tight area, we can put the handle back on so it looks better. Screw your handle back on, or the cap back on. There you go. So if you're in a little tight area, you know, easy to get to. Say you need to get it in there a little bit farther. Well, this is an all-in-one. So you just push the collar in, just like so, and it extends out to whatever length you want, and it locks back into place. Ain't that snazzy? Then you just, boom, just like so. Another thing I found out that was really, really cool about this thing. Let's say you got, everybody's got these boxes, right? Drill bits, all kinds of standard quick connect things that come in one of these handy kits. Well, what I found is you take your bit out. Of course, it is magnetized, right? So we set that to the side. I use a bunch of these things. Okay, it's got the same little Allen with a little lock sleeve on it, right? Well, let's say you're somewhere and you need a little wire brush. You're out on the GPS 81 track and you need a little wire brush to get something clean in there. Well, you can throw some of these in your little zipper pouch right here, and it locks right into place, just like so. Pull the collar down and it locks right in there. Ain't that snazzy? Or pick this out. Let's say you want to carry a few sockets, but you don't want to have a ratchet, or you don't you got too much stuff in it, you don't have room for a ratchet. Well, you just get you a little 1/4-inch drive adapter. Same thing. Boom. Lock it into place. Then you can add your sockets if you want to throw a few sockets, maybe a 10 and an 8, 12 and a 13 millimeter. You got plenty of little places to put them because they have a little elastic, for tons of elastic, where you can put tons of stuff. So you can put you a row of sockets in there. Get you one of those little adapters where you can put your 1/4-inch drive on it. Pop that rascal right into place, and then bam, you got an instant nut driver. And it's still going to telescope in and out, just like so. Or if you want to take this thing completely out, lock your collar in there, just like so. It's locked into place. Or now we need the wire brush. Or let's say we need a 3/8. We're going to put some 3/8 sockets in here. Same thing. Put this in. Your collar locks it into place. It's not going to fall off. Now you can throw you some 3/8 sockets in here as well. So now you got your 1/4-inch, you got your 3/8 because there's plenty of room. And you can use this thing for quite a bit of stuff. Pretty neat. When you get done, you got to make sure and put your screwdriver attachment back in there. Drop it all the way back down. Put your bits back in it, of course. But anyway, so you want to get you one of these. This thing is perfect for like the GPS 180. There's straps on the back where you can cinch it to the back of your bar. You can cinch it to the handlebars, side of your bike. If you do a lot of camping, you know, this thing is great. It's got tons of stuff in it. Extra room to put extra little oddball tools that you might want to take along. You're out boating, you know, this might be a perfect thing to keep in your boat. You know, and if while you're not using it at the GPS 180, you take it out and you stick it back in your trailer, put it underneath the seat of your truck. This thing is quite handy to have. And it looks like from the sizes of the wrenches, it's pretty much everything you need to work on majority of any of the Trailmaster, the Mega Motos. All the metric stuff is in here. Like I said, it's 8 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter. Nice shiny finish on the wrenches. Tons of extra room. Very cool. So, that's today's video. If you would like to run out there and get you one of these when you're placing an order, make sure and tell them Rick sent you. Or if you're placing it online, you can scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see my link down there. You can click on it. Let them know you watched the video and I sent you this way. And I'm not sure how many they have in stock. So I would jump on it. It's very good. I had to have one, so you'll see me rocking this for sure on the Texas bike at the 180 this year. Very cool deal. So, special thanks to Go Power Sports for sending me one so I could spread the good word to y'all fine folks out there. Very cool, handy deal to have for anything. Even if you're not mini biking, say you're motorcycle riding. Man, you can throw this thing right inside of your saddlebag, or same thing, you could use the nice straps and clip it to the back of your sissy bar, whatever. So, very stoked. This is very, very cool. They did some thinking on this. So, anyway, thanks very much, Go Power Sports, and we'll see y'all soon. Thank y'all for taking the time to watch. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends, family, co-workers, or your pastor at church. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all in the next video.